Each H1B visa will cost $100,000. That implies every Indian developer, that is skilled worker, will cost double for the American company. It can be bad, but we must see the opportunity. If it is implemented, there will be more opportunity for remote work, and all Asian country will get a lot of outsourced work, especially related to technical works like development, software development, especially web chip implementation. Like those work is very easy to outsource as a remote job basis. And there is another aspect of it, like now 21st century is era of artificial intelligence. It's called so-called artificial intelligence because those intelligence are wholly created by data. Only transformers is the main technology. AI will not take our job. Some say it will take our job, some others say it will not take our job. As I remember, the guy from Nvidia, director or something else, I see this guy says like there is no need to learn coding. Anybody can be a programmer. That is totally false statement, as this person is responsible for his company to grow. That is the reason why he is making this kind of hype, so that each and everyone invest in his company. That is the reason why he says so. But everyone knows. Like if you don't know, you are misinformed or ill informed. I don't know, but you must update your information. There is no worry. Literally, there is no worry if you are a developer or want to be a developer. Especially those tools will help you to write faster, much efficient way, but you don't have to worry about this. If I ask AI, like I have asked chat GPT, like will developers be out of job as AI capable to code? Like nowadays, each and every AI is capable to write code, so it generally feels like we will be out of job very soon, but it is not the case. Let's see how it replied. Not at all. Hopefully it has replied with something positivity. Not at all. That's a quite heavy statement, though the role of developers will be definitely change. That means, what does it mean? Let's see what it wants to say. AI can already generate code. Yes, it can generate code. Fix bugs. Yes, if you write buggy code, it can fix it. And even scaffold projects. Yes, it can. But software development isn't just about writing codes. It's about, it has provided one, two, three, four, 5 points. First is problem framing and requirements. That means the in simple terms we can say like stating the problem or requirement. It has a specific terms, I forgot right now. Understanding what it needs, I am not going to explain this point, it is generic. System design and architecture. Yes, I system and design and architecture, in this field also AI is capable to produce so much advanced system design and architecture. If it is already implemented, it can mix and match and it can produce a better one. But yes, it cannot produce a groundbreaking system design or architecture. That is for sure. Because see, the engineers of Apple especially developing chips, the A16, A17, those kind of chips they are developing, and I understand they don't get that much of benefit from artificial intelligence because they are doing the groundbreaking intelligence or groundbreaking developments. Debugging and edge cases. Yes, debugging is also a thing that can AI do, but not quite good enough. But I think they will be able to do it as Transformers gets major updates. Yes, each and every times I say Transformers, there is no AI, there is Transformer and there is data. Those 2 points. And especially nowadays, so called AI has multiple other aspects. Like for hearing, it uses STT, like speech to text. For speaking, it uses TTS, text to speech. Those technologies are like different senses or organs for artificial intelligence. Ethics, compliance, and responsibility. See, there is no ethics, no human ethics is needed. You just needs to be fully selfish. See, you don't hurt anybody else. That is not out of compassion, that is not out of ethics. It is simply selfishness. You don't want to hurt anybody because you don't want to be hurt by somebody else. That's it. You become 100% selfish. That's it. You don't have to do anything else. Innovation. Yes, right now, this is the point where I agree totally. Innovation, till the date, AI has not done any kind of innovation. If it is already implemented, it can simulate that implementation in other places or similar places. That's it. So see, nowadays still AI in this place, like AI is a helping hand. It can implement thousand lines of code within a minute, and you will have to take a look each and every point, like if there is any bug or something else, if it is working. So all those tools are there, ready-made tools are there. You will have to learn or know how to use those. I understand there is some online courses available, like how you use those artificial intelligence tools. I think those are bogus courses. You don't do any type of course from online or offline, anywhere. You just start doing things. That is the best way to learn. That is the best way to learn C programming. That is the best way to learn any kind of programming. That is the best way to learn anything, even plowing, even farming. So it's better you start doing something today itself. And I understand there is a lack of good teacher out there, especially online. If I search, like I taught my brother, I taught my children's how to code. Like they have started their journey and they are doing quite a good well. But when I think like my youngest child, how he learned, so I don't have, I just simply say, okay, there is a lot of uh, examples and tutorials online. You just follow them and you start working. But he's failing. So I was wondering, like, if there is any lack of really good content on the internet, like if my youngest child wants to learn C, how would he learn? There is a good website called W3 Schools. If you want to learn HTML, CSS, it is having a quite lot of information, examples, each and everything it is having. So you will be able to learn C. No, you will be able to learn HTML, CSS much easier using these W3 schools. But in case of C, I don't see any good source of learning from here. Even I have searched on the YouTube, but see, you don't teach a child like how to handle garbage collection or how to manipulate memory allocation using C from the day one. You will have to be little more careful, and you will have to teach them step by step using some good and interesting examples. So I think I start doing some kind of explanatory and informative videos. I'm not sure. Let me know.